I have the fryer out. I just preheated it. I only preheated it because we had never used it before. I'm going to gently spray a little bit of olive oil in there, and then I'm going to add the chicken wings. I used this Simply Nature extra virgin olive oil and sprayed the inside of the basket. And I'm going to add these oven roasted chicken wings that I got from Aldi's inside here and see how they go. So I set it on for the wing setting. I'll check it halfway through. This thing is huge, so it will not be staying right here. Once I'm done using it, I'm probably going to have to put it like in the cabinet because it's really big. Yeah, so this is halfway through. They're not done yet. I just took them out to shake them and to show y'all. Look at the wings! I'm so excited. There's no batter on here, so this is like naked chicken, but it is crispy. Just the way I like it, and it's not burnt, and it smells really good. So far, I'm in love. Another cool thing about the air fryer, or the Emeril Lagasse air fryer, is it comes with a bunch of recipes that you can create items in the air fryer. So I'm going to